Today, I've got Mello on board the Talaria MX5. Comfy? Alright. Alright, we got Arts for All going on this weekend. That's why there's no farmers market, so we didn't get to work today. We did, however, work yesterday. We had our food trailer parked out in front of City National Bank Ops Center. Mama's cold. She needs to zip her jacket up. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're good. Alright, let's go. Yeehaw! Oh, why is your head so wobbly? We got the microwave. Oh, Mama's going fast. Oh, so's Uncle. You want to do sport mode now? On a straight road? Okay, here we go. Come on, let's just try it real quick to catch up with them, and then we'll stop. Ready, set, here we go. Okay, we good? They're going faster. You want to try hyper mode now? No? Okay. Just sport mode? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Whee! It's windy. Oh, Mama's winning. She's winning. She's a racer. Mama's fast. Hello. Dang, y'all are fast. Mama's more fast. We just barely did sport mode to catch up with y'all. Oh, there they go. Let's do a little off-roading. Let's go check out what those vultures are eating. Let's go. Whoa. What are they eating? Aww. Prairie doggy. You want to turn the throttle? You want to turn this? Go ahead. Here, I'll guide your hand. Like that. There you go. There you go. You control how fast you want to go. The faster you want to go, the more you twist. Go faster. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. She wants to try hyper mode. So now you gotta learn brakes. This one right here. Very important. Same thing, just like on the throttle. You have to go gently on the throttle. You have to go gently on the brake. So next time we come to a stop sign, you gotta kind of roll off the throttle and then reach for the brakes and then pull it in slowly. Okay, go. Squeeze the brake, squeeze it. There you go. Alright, now throttle a little bit to go. Yeah.
You can go sport mode because we're going hyper mode.
Hyper mode time? Ready? Set, go. Hold on tight. Yep. That was fast, huh?
Yeah.
You like hyper mode? You wanna do it again? No? How about right now? How about right now? Go. Go, go, go. You want to jump it?
Yeah.
Okay. Stand up.